This is a video test, Sony A7R2, 4K, 24p, XAVCS, 100 megabits per second. And we're in Super 35 mode, using the Sony Zeiss FE 1.8 55mm lens. So as we can see from our previous test, when we're in full frame mode, we're a lot more zoomed in now. We're in APS-C Super 35. See how this affects the quality. So let's start the ball rolling with a slow pan. We're in autofocus continuous, setting of wide. Battery now 56%, almost 2 minutes in. Let's return with the fast pan. Rolling shutter test. Let's try some clear zoom. There we have clear zoom times 2, so we've got Super 35 crop 1.5 times and 2 times clear zoom crop. There, it gets you quite tight in there. Let's try to zoom out in a pan. So I think really the 55mm is a bit tight. The Super 35 crop for a kind of everyday walk around lens. Fine in full frame mode, but at Super 35 definitely prefer something a bit wider for these kind of shots. Hopefully be finished in time before the rain comes. Try some faster pans. Steady shots on. No steady shot in this lens obviously, but we've got steady shot. 5-axis steady shot in the camera. I definitely prefer the ergonomics of the A7 II series over the A6300. Feels a lot nicer in the hand. But let's see what the performance is like, that's what matters. Let's see if we can see a difference between the 4K of this and the A6300. So that's the end of the test. I've got no overheating, no issues whatsoever. Screen was lovely and viewable, but it isn't exactly sunny. And next up we're going to have a full frame autofocus test. As usual guys, it's been emotional.